How to turn on notification of mention and tags on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snapchat account or application. Then as you see, when it's opening, you go up and open your profile and then go to settings here and click. Then you go down and click on notification option. You click on it, then you will go to mention. As you see, it's not activate. I will just activate it by clicking here on this icon like this, and it will work with you. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.